Hello friends, welcome to topcoaching.com once again. So today we are here with this video on the simplest of hydrocarbons known as alkanes. So before I go further into the properties and preparation of this simple hydrocarbons, let us understand that we should not undermine their importance in our daily life when we call them simple hydrocarbons. Alkanes are widely used, in fact, most widely used hydrocarbons as far as formation of fuel, carbon black, etc. is concerned. So what are alkanes? To start with, they are saturated open chain hydrocarbons with single carbon hydrogen bonds, right? So in previous chapters, we have studied about their nomenclature, IUPAC nomenclature. Now let us try to draw out a structure of a alkane whose IUPAC name is 4-ethyl 3,3-dimethyl heptane, right? So how do we do this? Heptane is the last word, which is the name of the longest chain. So we make 7 carbon atoms, right? Let us start the numbering 1 to 7. Then we have 3,3-dimethyl, which means 2 methyls on position 3, right? 4-ethyl, 1 ethyl on position 4. So we are ready with the basic structure. Now put the required number of hydrogen that satisfy the valency of carbon. Carbon can form 4 bonds, right? So for example, this carbon won't have any hydrogen attached, right? This carbon will have 3 hydrogens because 1 bond with carbon and 3 more with hydrogens. This carbon will have 2 hydrogens, CH2, and so on. So how does 4-ethyl 3,3-dimethyl heptane look like? It looks like this, right? So let us have a look at how they are prepared. Well, they are prepared from unsaturated hydrocarbons, which is, let us recall the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons first. So the saturated ones are the ones with single bond, and unsaturated hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbons with double and triple bond. So ethene is an example of an unsaturated hydrocarbon. These hydrocarbons, when reduced in the presence of catalysts like platinum, palladium and nickel, get converted into their saturated counterparts. Ethene gets converted into ethane. Similarly, propene gets converted into propane in presence of hydrogen. Hydrogen acts as the reducing agent, right? One more unsaturated hydrocarbon with 3 bonds, propyne, gets converted into propane. And as one would assume, since we are making them react with hydrogen, so this reaction is known as hydrogenation of unsaturated hydrocarbons. So hydrogenation of unsaturated hydrocarbons in presence of catalysts, that is platinum, palladium and nickel, are leads to formation of saturated hydrocarbons or alkanes. Alkanes can also be prepared from alkyl halides. What are alkyl halides? Alkyl group with a halogen group. The last group 17, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So chloroethane is an alkyl halide. Again, when reacted with hydrogen in presence of zinc, ethane is formed. As this bond breaks, hydrogen takes away chlorine and forms HCl and ethane. Similarly, 1 chloropropane leads to propane. 1 chloromethane leads to methane, right?